Next, we are going to discuss about purchase. Click on procurement under main menu. Click on purchase. It will navigate to list of purchases page. Here you can see the list of purchases you have created before. You can limit the data by using apply filters. Now let us check how to create a new purchase. Click on create button. It will navigate to create a new purchase page. We can create a new purchase based on direct or based on order. So let us check how to create new purchase based on direct. Select direct. Give an entry number. Select it 77. Provide entry date from the calendar picker. Select the due date from the calendar picker. Select a vendor. I'm clicking walk-in vendor. You can select the payment type, whether it is cash or credit. So I'm selecting cash. Select the costing based on, whether it is cost or price. I'm selecting by the cost. If you have any vendor invoice number, you can provide here. If you have any details, provide here. If you have any barcode number, enter here. Select the items. I'm selecting dollar. Select the batch number, how much you need. Enter the expiry date of the item. Select it from the calendar picker. Selecting 11. Enter the quantity, how much you need. Select the quantity, how much you want. Select on the tags from the drop down list. By clicking on insert button, it will be loaded to the table. I forgot to select the batch, so I'm selecting 2. By clicking on save button, creating a new purchase order based on direct is completed. And pop-up message, the entry has been successfully saved. Click on OK button. By clicking on OK, it will navigate to details of purchase page. It will be in pending status. You can reject or approve your order. If you have any updates, you can do by clicking on edit button. If you want to delete, click on delete button. The details can be printed by clicking on print button for the future reference. In the barcode, it will navigate to list of purchases page. Let us check whether it is loaded or not. And the number is 66. Yes, it is loaded based on cost. It's approved order. Now let us check how to create purchases based on order. So select order. Approved purchase order will be displayed here. So I am selecting PO44. If you have any entry number, you can enter here. Vendor name, payment type, costing will be generated by the system. If you have vendor invoice number, enter here. If you have any details, type here. This is the RST plugin on our purchase screen, and here you can see the dispatch notification ID unit. You can input your ID here, which is from the vendor side. By clicking on get details button, it will validate and fetch the details of purchased item. After that, click on apply button. Then the incoming lines will be loaded into the table. Have any barcode number, you can enter here. Select the items. Enter the batch number here, selecting 1. Select the expiry date from the calendar picker. you have any serial number, type here. Select the tags. Map missing barcode, you can select from the drop down list whether it is international barcode or digital. You can scan here. You can scan here your barcode by clicking on insert button. By clicking on insert button, it will be loaded into the table. By clicking on save button, the process of creating new purchase based on order is completed. Your entry has been successfully saved. Click on OK. It will navigate to details of purchase page. Here you can reject or approve your purchase. Once you approved your purchase, you can't be changed or you can't do any updates. By clicking on the reject button, the page will be displayed. It is rejected. Here you can revoke the purchase. So I am clicking on revoke. Are you sure you revoke this purchase? Okay. Now we can approve the purchase. Click on OK button. It will navigate to details of purchase page, which is in approved status. By clicking on payment, it will navigate to list of payment page. You can create here. So we don't have any balance to pay to the vendor. So you can click OK button. Here you can see the purchases we created before. ID number 68. Just check what is in action button. Here you can view the details of purchases we have done. Then you can print the details for future reference. In payment option, we can check whether we have any payment against purchase. Let us check. Click on payment. Click create button. No balance to pay to the vendor. Click on OK button. We can check another purchase. Here I am selecting one of the purchases created before. Click on payment. It will navigate to list of payment page. Here we can create our payments. Click on payment. Navigate to create a new payment page. Here we have 1155 rupees to pay to the vendor. So let us create and a new number. Enter the date from the calendar picker. Payment mode, whether it is cash, bank transfer or UPI transaction. Selecting cash. Click the amount. You can enter the full amount or we can give the required amount here. I am selecting full amount. Selecting the accounting center. If you have any remarks or description, you can type here. By clicking on save button, the create new payment will be completed. Creating new purchase is completed.